Castle Walls is the premier provider of retaining walls and pavers for residential and commercial applications in Issaquah, Bellevue, Kirkland, Seattle, and throughout the Pacific Northwest. From walls that are 2 feet to 60 feet tall, or surface areas of 250 square feet to 250,000 square, our incredibly skilled team can get any job done. We utilize the highest quality products to create retaining wall and retention wall systems, including landscaping walls, concrete walls, sound walls, and segmental walls. The team at Castle Walls also designs and installs patios, walkways, driveways, and other surface areas using unique paver systems, including pedestal pavers and interlocking pavers to create beautiful, one-of-a-kind spaces. You can count on Castle Walls to meet the requirements of your project in terms of time, size, budget, material, and quality. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about our services or to request an estimate for paver or retaining wall installation in the Pacific Northwest.